The 3 stairs fold is great to enhance the natural appeal of the breast pocket. Lay the square upside down with the point towards you. Fold the bottom corner to the center and flip. Pinch about 2 inches from the top and fold up, making the first pleat. Repeat the previous step to make the second pleat. Flip upside down with the folds towards you. Fold the left corner to the right and then turn towards you. Hold and adjust the left pleats to be close to each other and fan the right pleats. Fold a line on the right and on the left. Fold the bottom to the depth of your pocket. Oh yeah, pocket that thing. With your trusty pocket square, you never have to fear looking plain without a necktie. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll never have to take style advice from a YouTuber again. Most importantly, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.